Ji Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome back to your own channel AR Trainings Official. So today we are going to learn how to create a realistic 3D interior design of living room in Blender. We will discuss each and everything in detail like modeling, texturing, lighting, materials, UVW mapping, and most importantly background. So without wasting a time, let's get started. At first, I'm just going to create a simple cube and tweak in X, Y, and Z direction. Okay, so Shift A and add a simple cube, then simply adjust it in X, Y, and Z direction like this. Go to the edit mode, select the top face and simply type delete. Okay, now add a solidify modifier and changes its thickness to 0.06 and click apply. Okay, like this. Again, go to the edit mode and you can even use loop cut or knife tool to divide the wall into parts. Okay, and then later on extrude into a little bit value, right? It totally depends upon you whether you want to use knife tool or loop cut. Then simply select face and extrude it to a little bit value. Change it to object mode. Now let's create a space for a window. The process is quite easy. Simply add a cube and then later on tweak it in X, Y, and Z direction according to the requirements. Right? Okay. You can scale it, rotate it, or move it in X, Y, and Z direction. Now add a boolean modifier, click on the rectangle and simply press delete. So we have the space ready for the window. You can simply repeat this process for other two windows and then enjoy the music. Okay, let's do a wall modeling like this. So simply again add a simple cube and use boolean modifier to delete the face. Right, it's quite simple, it's not difficult. You can also create another space for window by doing the same process as we done before. You can even see different views like rendered view. Okay, plus assign the white material to the whole cube. Simply go to the material editor and add a simple white material and assign to the complete room. Okay, you can also add a light, but we will do it later. So that's all for today. I hope this video is going to be a very informative and helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Keep watching, keep spotting more interesting informative tutorials are uploading very soon. So stay tuned. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.